Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox 524 error on mobile. So if you get this, you want to go ahead and go to your browser like Safari and find a Roblox private servers, for example, or basically find any server you want to go ahead and join. After that, you want to of course choose your link and you want to go ahead and copy it. Then you want to open up another tab and basically paste that link here. Click go. And then as you can see, it will say open this page on Roblox. So you want to click open and you will get this error message. So how to fix it? You want to go ahead and open up your notes. And on your notes, you want to go ahead and paste that link which you have copied. Then click done. And then as you can see, the link is working. You want to click on the link. And as you can see, you can join now Blox Fruit. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.